Hi boys and girls, Miss Frank here to do your daily calendar review. I am so happy to be with you on this wonderful Tuesday. All right, so as I said, it is Tuesday and I am going to find my next pattern piece. So my core is A, B, C, D, or sun, umbrella, flower, rain cloud. So yesterday I had a flower, so what am I going to have today? Good, a rain cloud, awesome. So I have a rain cloud as my pattern piece. So let's go ahead and say the date today. So today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Some job, guys. Alrighty, so we are going to find out what yesterday was and what tomorrow will be. So if today is Tuesday, what was yesterday? Good, Monday, let's say that together. Yesterday was Monday. Excellent. And what is tomorrow going to be? What comes after Tuesday? Good, Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Let's say that. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. All right, I cannot wait for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get into our, I forgot to do the day before and the day after. Let's do that really quickly. So if today's the 28th, what was the day before? And what is the day after? So the day before is the 27th. Good. And the day after is the 29th. Good. Alrighty. And we are going to get ready for our spiral review. So grab that pencil and piece of paper and tell me how many sides, flat sides, does a rectangle have? Good. Did you get it? Let's look. One side. This one's flat. Miss Frank's not very good at drawing straight lines, apparently. 2. That's better. 3. And 4. So a rectangle has 4 flat sides. All right. Go ahead and write the number sentence for this combination. Did you get it? If you haven't, feel free to press pause. So first I need to count my red ones, and I see I have 4 red. So I'm going to put 4 right here. There we go. 4. Now how many yellow do I have? 0. So 4 and 0 is 4. Excellent work, guys. All right, moving on. Go ahead and get your 1 less and 1 more chart done for 11. What is 1 less than 11 and 1 more than 11? I'm going to get my stretch on. Alrighty, boys and girls, if you haven't had a chance to finish up, no worries, just press pause. So if I have 11, I'm going to take 1 away, and 10 is 1 less than 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, and after 11, or 1 more than 11, is 12. 12 is 1 more than 11, and boys and girls, this here is a 12. All right, last question. Practice writing the number 5. Go across, take a dive around the bend, and that's a 5. I want you to write 5 5s, and that is where I'm going to leave you today, practicing writing your 5s nicely and neatly so that they match the one on the screen. Go across, take a dive around the bend to make a 5. Make sure that your 5 is facing the right direction and not backwards. I hope you have a great day. I love you, I miss you, and I cannot wait to be together soon. Have a great day, guys.